Today I want to show you how to add hashtags to your new and existing YouTube videos. Alright, so what I'm talking about is you may have seen on people's existing videos, you might see these hashtags that are sitting right above their title. I want to show you how to add those onto your videos, and these do come in handy for a couple things. Number one is branding. So your particular channel name, it's good to start creating a hashtag for that. So right here I have Michael J. Bauer Photography, and I also added Michael J. Bauer Photography as a hashtag. Now here's some very good tips. Number one, YouTube is only going to show 3 hashtags on top of these videos. You can add up to 15 hashtags. I would strongly recommend not to do that, because if you do go about 15 or more, YouTube will just disregard all your hashtags. So I would do is look for 3 relevant hashtags for each video that you would like to add to. And then I also want to do is show you real quick before we add these hashtags is to do a little research. So for example, if you go up into your search area and you type in hashtag photography, and this is for my photography page, what will happen is YouTube will actually show you the top search hashtags. So as you can see, you've got photography, photography hacks, and then so on down through here. So this is actually a great way to do a little research before you actually add any hashtags into your videos, is to go up into the search and search 3 of the most relevant hashtags for your existing video. Okay, now let's go ahead and add the hashtags. Do this. We are going to go to the top right hand corner where you see your picture icon. We're going to click on that. We're going to go to YouTube Studio. Okay, once you are in YouTube Studio, you want to go to where it says Content on the left hand side, and we'll click that. Now I just uploaded a new video for my channel, which should be released tomorrow. I have it currently scheduled. What I want to do is add some hashtags to this video. So what I'm going to do is click on this little pencil here. It says Details. As I hover over, you'll see it appears. So let's go to there. Now you do have your title up here, but you don't want to really add the hashtag in this area. What you want to do is scroll down into your description area, and I'm going to come down here towards the bottom and add the hashtags that I would like for this particular video. So I'm going to add hashtag landscape photography. Now, quick tip here is you always want to keep your hashtags as one word. Don't ever separate the word. For example, landscape photography is one word. Michael J. Bauer photography is several different words, but I have to tie those all together. If I did leave a little spaces in between here, it wouldn't work. So that's a good little tip for you. And the last hashtag I'll add is travel photography. Okay, once you do add your 3 most important hashtags, and once again you can go up to 15, but I would recommend just sticking with 3, and YouTube will only show the 3 anyways. So once you do have those added, we're going to scroll on up and we're going to hit save. Okay, now that the changes have been saved, I'm going to go ahead and just click this link right below the video and we'll check it out. Okay, now you'll see I have the hashtags right above my current title here. So anyways, I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please hit that like button. Share this video with anybody you think this could help them out, and we will catch you on the next video. Have a great day.